Hi everyone. Today we will use this feature of WhatsApp Business. We'll learn how you can set up this automated message, which is custom away message, and you can respond automatically to the messages received outside your business hours, letting your customers know when you'll be back. And you can schedule it outside your business hours and also maybe let's say for a specific duration for a few days. If you're not unavailable, you can simply schedule this automated message and all your customers would know that when you'll be back. So let's see how to do it. For this, go to WhatsApp Business app. In your WhatsApp Business app, you'll see this option at the bottom, which is Tools. You can access this from Tools, or you can also go to Settings. You'll see this Business Tool option, and in Messaging Tool, the second option is your away message. If you see this, I go to Tools, Messaging Tools, and I click on Away Message, reply automatically when you're away. Here first you'll have to turn it on. So we turn it on, send away message, and you get these three options of scheduling. Either you always send it, or second is you send it to outside of your business hours. So in your WhatsApp profile, you can set up these business information and you can set up your business hours. Let's say here I have set my business hours to from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So any message which is received outside of this hours, this away message will trigger. And I can also set up for a custom schedule. Let's say maybe for 2 or 3 days I want to do it. So I can just put the start time and end time. So right now we'll do it for outside of business hours. Here you can also change the recipients. Here I want everybody to get this message if it's outside of my business hours. And then here you get this message template. You can customize this. This is a default message. You can customize this message and you can simply save it. So this will trigger this away message when anybody sends you a message outside of these hours which you have set.